Hello guys, today in this video we are going to learn about the most important part of our body, the heart. Let's get started. Heart is the vital organ for the body. Heart can be divided into two segments, the right side and the left side. Right and left side both has two chambers, the atria and the ventricles. The atrium and ventricle of the right side is called as right atrium and right ventricle respectively. The atrium and ventricle of the left side is called as left atrium and left ventricle respectively. The main function of the heart is to pump blood to every part of our body to supply oxygen. The heart is actually surrounded by a layer called pericardium, and the fluid filled inside the pericardium is called as pericardial fluid. This fluid adds lubrication and thus prevents friction. The contraction phase of the heart is called systole, whereas the relaxation phase of the heart is called diastole. The right side of the heart is separated from the left side of the heart through a wall of partition called septum. There are actually four valves present in our heart. The tricuspid valve is present between the right atrium and the right ventricle. The bicuspid valve is present between the left atrium and the left ventricle. The pulmonary valve is present in the pulmonary artery. The aortic valve is present in the aorta, which supplies oxygenated blood to the rest of the body. The deoxygenated blood is collected and is pushed into the right atrium. Then it enters the right ventricle via tricuspid valve. The blood later enters pulmonary artery and passes out pulmonary valve and gets into lungs, where it gets oxygenated. Then the oxygenated blood enters the left atrium through pulmonary vein. It goes into left ventricle by passing out bicuspid valve. It is then distributed to the rest of the body by aorta via aortic valve. Aorta is the largest artery in the body. Each cell uses up the oxygen and produces carbon dioxide.